Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 10X Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle for it. So for me the toggle looks to be right here, Do Not Disturb. It's the little moon icon. Once you find it, you want to hold the toggle, and this will quickly take you to the settings. And in here we have a couple different things that we can change. So we have interruptions from calls and messages, along with this toggle right here for repeated callers, so choose whichever one you want. And we also have the schedule mode, so you can use the one that is pre-existing, or you can also add your own with different days and time as well. Now once you set it all up, you can either turn it on quickly from here by tapping on a toggle, or by doing it through the notifications, same way. There we go. Now, that being said, this is how you would enable the Do Not Disturb mode and also set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.